Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate biscotti. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Lightly grease a half-sheet pan and dust it with flour, shaking it until it's completely covered, and tip out the excess and set it aside for now. Then in a large bowl, add in the softened butter and sugar and cream them with an electric mixer on a high speed for a few minutes until light and pale. Add in the eggs one at a time, mixing until it's fully incorporated before adding the next one. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Then in a separate small bowl, add in the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add it into the wet ingredients a little at a time, mixing by hand until it's just combined. Then add in the mini chocolate chips and mix them in until evenly distributed. Then turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface and divide it in half. Then place each of them onto the prepared pan and shape them into a rectangle that's 6 inches long and 2 inches wide. Then bake them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack until cooled enough to handle. And turn the oven temperature down to 250 degrees. Once the cookies are cooled enough to handle, place them onto a cutting board and use a serrated knife to cut them diagonally into half-inch thick slices. Then place each of the cookies back onto a baking pan. It doesn't matter how close they are, but there should be a little space between each one. Then place them back into the oven and bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. Then take them out of the oven and carefully flip them over. And return them to the oven for another 8 to 10 minutes to dry them out. Once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for a few minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. And that's how to make chocolate biscotti. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.